Thank you for watching this TechTalk training video from the WebGIS development team. In this video, I will show the new automatic LRF file generating feature in GeoMedia Webmap 2018. The label rule file specifies the feature types, display characteristics, and placement rules for the labels that are to be placed on a map displayed by Webmap services. Now, administrators no longer need to create the LRF files manually. When publishing GeoMedia Geo Workspace with dynamic labeling configuration, a corresponding LRF file will be generated automatically. Let's see how it works. Here, I have a Geo Workspace with very simple map of United States displayed. First, I will display dynamic labels in GeoMedia. I have simple labels definition already prepared. To display dynamic labels in GeoMedia, click Labeling, then toggle Dynamic. As you can see, dynamic labels are displayed. Now, let's publish the Geo Workspace with labels to the service metadata. To do this, click Webmap, Menu, next click Administrator to open Service Source dialog. There is no service source on my list, so let me create one quickly. Click Create. For example, let's create WMS service, so select it from Service Source Types list and click Next. I don't want to include demo data for my service because I will publish my own data with labels. Next step is to provide service source name. I will leave suggested names. Click Create Service Instance checkbox in order to create instance in Administration Console. Next, follow the wizard steps. I'm not going to describe all wizard steps in details. To learn more about simplified publishing in GeoMedia, see a prepared TechTalk training video or refer to the GeoMedia Webmap Administrator Guide. The service source with service instance is created. Now, you can see the WMS entry and the service source list. Before I start publishing the data, I will show you the service source files. Go to the Webmap Publisher Project folder, WMS folder, and here you can see there is no LRF file for the data. Go back to the GeoMedia with GeoMedia Webmap Administrator opened, and let's publish the data. Select the service source and click Open button. The GeoMedia Webmap Publisher Administrator menu appears in the bottom left corner. Publish the data by using Publish Workspace to Metadata command. Data has been published. Now, let's see the Service Source Project folder again. As you can see, new LRF file has been created, named generated.lrf. Let's open it to see what's inside. This is a plain ASCII text file that can be edited using any common text editor such as Microsoft Notepad. Note the definition section. Here we have label definition for rivers and states feature class defined. The font color for both features is black. Font for states is Arial. Close generated.lrf file. Now I will change the label stylistics with Label Manager. Label Rule Manager is a tool that provides a graphical user interface that greatly simplifies the creation and maintenance of label rule files. A full description of Label Rule Manager can be found in the GeoMedia Webmap documentation. In Label Manager, select Feature class and change label properties. For example, for Rivers class, I will change font color to blue. For States, I set new font, Courier New, and change size and color also. When ready, close Label Manager. Workspace in GeoMedia is updated automatically. Now, let's try to republish the data. Data with new label style has been published. So, let's see the generated LRF file again. As you can see, the definition in LRF file has been updated. The font color and size is the same as set in Label Manager in GeoMedia. Finally, let's display a map served by created WMS in Geospatial Portal. Open Portal. Register WMS. Display the data. You can see a map with dynamic labels in Geospatial Portal. Hope you enjoyed automatic LRF creation feature. Thanks for watching.